Hello everyone, good morning. This is our 8th online lecture. I hope you all remembered yesterday's topic. Now, today we are going to study more about the skipping numbers. First, we have to study concept of backward and forward, then table of subtraction, counting by 2s and 3s, counting by 5s and 10s, and then we solve some filling the blanks regarding this skipping. As you know already about the skipping forward numbers, but also refer it and then study about the backward countings. See here on a number line 0 to 10 numbers are there. When we speak or when we write the numbers from 0 to 10, it is known as forward counting. As you see, when you move on right hand side, the value of number is increased. So here first number is 0. When you move from 0 to 1, the value is increased. When you move from 1 to 2, also the value is increased. From 2 to 3, also the value is increased. Then 3 to 4, also the value is increased. So in another sense, we say that in a forward counting, next number is one more than previous number. Previous number means before number, we can say. See here, our number is 4. Now we are standing on number 4. So we can say that 4 is 1 more than 3. So here 3, that is the previous number, and 4, that is the current number. Again we move from 4 to 5. Also the value is increased. In this we are just doing jump on one number. That's why the value of number is increased by 1 only. Then 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. As we move from 0 to 10, the value of all numbers are increased. So this is known as forward counting. In a forward counting, the value of any number is increased by their previous number. And also we can say in a forward counting we have to do repeated addition, that already we studied yesterday. In a counting by 2s, repeatedly we have to add 2. In counting by 3s, we have to repeated addition of 3. We have to just add 3 numbers. Now what about the backward? Now we can say backward counting, that is known as reverse counting. See here, when we write down the numbers from 0 to 10, it is known as forward counting. But when we write down the numbers from 10 to 0, it is known as backward counting. In a backward counting, in a reverse counting, the numbers from 10 to 0 like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now backward counting, 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5. In a backward counting, the next number is always 1 less than the previous number. So see, here we are on number 5. What is the previous number of 5? That is the 6 in a backward counting. What is the previous number? 6. So we can say that 5 is 1 less than 6. When we move from 5 to 4, our current number is 4. What is the backward number? It's a 5. So we can say that 4 is 1 less than 5. Then again move 4 to 3, 3 to 1, 2 to 1 and 1 to 0. This sequence is known as backward counting. Whenever we are doing the backward counting, the value of all the numbers are decreased. And in a backward counting, we have to do repeated subtraction. Subtraction means minus. So we can say that when we count backward, we take away number 1 from each number. If it is counting by ones, then we are take away 1. If it is counting by twos, then we have to take away 2. If it is counting by threes, then which number? What we have to take from the current number? It's a 3 in a counting by 3. Number 3. No matter what the number is, when we count the backward, the number becomes smaller and their value also become small. As you know already, the table of addition. Now today we are going to study the table of subtraction with 2 and 3. Counting by twos. It means from each and every number we are take away 2 from each number. So we can say subtraction with 2. Your first number is 11. If we are taking away 2 from 11, the remaining number is 9. So we can say 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Then 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. If we are taking away 2 from 9, remaining is 7. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. In the table of addition, we studied that we have to just add the ones place only. Same rule you have to apply in subtraction, in backward counting. We just subtract ones place only. Other digits we have to put as it is. If anything is there, if we want to brought, then we brought from the previous number. Then 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. And 2 minus 2, 0. These all are the unit place of your any of your sequence. Now, what about counting by threes? In this counting by threes, we have to subtract 3 from each number. Subtraction with 3. Your first number is 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now another table of subtraction with 5. Counting by 5s means from each and every number we have to subtract 5. So we can say subtraction with 5. See, your first number is 14. If we are taking 5 from 14, the remaining is 9. Again, next number is 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Please, all the tables of counting by 2s, counting by 3s, counting by 5s, of forward counting and backward counting. Learn these all tables by heart because it is too much helpful to complete the sequence. And please remember that thing, the rules about sequence. First rule for sequence is decide whether it is forward counting or backward counting. After that, your second step is by how much it is forward counting or by how much it is backward counting. Then third rule, just change their ones place only. If counting by 2s, counting by 3s and counting by 5s are there, then just change ones place only. Other digits you have to put as it is. Now, what is counting by 2s? Skip counting by 2s backward. Yesterday we studied counting by 2s, but that is for forward. Today this is for backward. Now skip counting by 2s backward means every time and in every number subtract 2. Let us see this with the help of one example. Here one number line for you, and in this number line 0 to 12 numbers are there, and we are just drawing this number line for skipping 2, but this skipping 2 for backward. So we have to move from back side, from last number. And how many jumps we have to do? 2 jumps. So our first jump 12 to 10, then 10 to 8, then 8 to 6, then 6 to 4, 4 to 2 and 2 to 0. So how many jumps we are doing to reach 0 from 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is known as counting backward. In counting backward, what we have to do? We have to subtract 2 from each of the number. Let us see counting by 2s with the help of one example. Here one sequence for you: 144, 142, 140, 138. The first rule for sequence is that to decide whether it is forward or it is backward. So see here, the numbers are going down. The numbers is reduced. So here backward counting are there. By how much it is backward counting? So see here, 44 to 42. Counting by 2s. So from each number we have to subtract 2. So we have to subtract 2 from ones place only. Other digits we have to put as it is. So when we are subtracting 2, from 144. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and 1 for 14 we have to put as it is. Now 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Another digit as it is. So after 142, what is our backward sequence? That is the 140. Now 140 minus 2. As you know, 0 minus 2, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 4. We have to borrow from previous number. So what is the previous number? It's a 4. So 0 becomes a 10 and 4 becomes 3. And you know 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And 1, 3, 13 we have to put as it is. Now what is the next number in a backward sequence? Again subtract 2 from 1's place. So 8 minus 2 it's a 6. And 1, 3, 13 we have to put as it is. So your answer is 136. From 136 subtract 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And 1, 3, 13 we have to put as it is. Then again 2 subtract from 134. 4 minus 2, 2. So your answer is 132. And 132 minus 130, 132 minus 2 is equal to 130. Now see with the help of number line. In a number line, backward counting start from last. So your first jump 144 to 142, 142 to 140, 140 to 138, then 138 to 136, then 134, 132 and 130. This is all about counting by twos, but it is backward. Now, what about counting by threes? Skip counting by threes. Backward means every time and in every number subtract 3. See with the help of one number line. Again in this backward counting we have to jump from back side from last number, and 3 numbers we have to skip. So we are on 12. So which number we have to left? 3 numbers. Which are that? That is the 11, 10 and 9. So your first jump from 12 to 9, then 9 to 6, then 6 to 3 and then 3 to 0. So how many jumps are there to reach 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is known as counting backward. In a counting backward, counting by threes, we have to subtract 3. Let us see counting by threes backward with the help of one example. Here one sequence to you: 145, 142, 139. In this sequence, it is a backward sequence. And how much we subtract? 3 from 8. So again, you have to subtract 3 from the ones place only. 9 minus 3, 6. Other digits you have to put as it is. So your answer is 136. Then 136 minus 3, 133. Then 133 minus 3, it's a 130. Let us see with the help of number line. Your first jump from 145 to 142, then 142 to 139, then 136, then 133 and then 130. This is known as counting backward. Now, counting by fives. Skip counting by fives backward means every time and in every number subtract 5. We have to left 5 digits. Let us see here. This is your number line. In this number line, we have to start jump from 15 to 0. How many numbers we have to skip? 5 numbers. So see here, we start from 15. So we have to left 5 digits, which are that it's a 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So our first jump over on 10, then 10 to 5, then 5 to 0 to reach till 0. How many jumps? 3 jumps are there. So this is known as counting backward. Let us see example of counting by fives. From each and every number we have to subtract 5. See here 145, 140. In this subtraction by 5. So 0 minus 5, is it not possible? So from this 0 we borrow something from 4. So 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5 and 1 3 30 as it is. So your third number is 135 and then 135 minus 5 is equal to 130. Let us see with the help of number line we have to skip backward. So we have to move from back side 145 to 140, then 140 to 135 and then 135 to 130. Now what about counting by tens? Skip counting by tens backward means every time and in every number we have to subtract 10 from it. 30, 20. This is backward counting and how much subtract? 10. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Let us see with the help of example number line. Here in the number line 0 to 30 numbers are there. We have to skip 10 digits. So your first jump from 30 to 20, then 20 to 10 and then 10 to 0. To reach till 0, how many jumps? 3 jumps are there. So this is known as counting backward. Now we are solving some sequence regarding backward. Your first number 222, 220, 280. So you know that this is the sum of backward counting. And how much backward? 2. So after 280, 280 minus 2 is equal to 216. Then again minus 2, 214. Again minus 2, 212. Again minus 2, it's a 210. Now your second number 333, 330, 327. Your first rule, whether it is backward or forward, this is backward counting. By how much it is backward? By 3's. So you have to subtract 3 from the previous number. So 3 subtract from 327. So 327 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. And other digits you have to put as it is. So your answer is 324. Then again subtract 3. So it's a 321. Now again subtract 3. So 1 minus 3, it is not possible. So we have to borrow something from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 11. And you know that 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 and 3 131 as it is. So your answer is 380 minus 3. 380 minus 3 is equal to 315. Your next sequence 455, 450, 445. You know that after 445, which number for the backward sequence? 440, then again minus 5, 435, again minus 5, 430, again minus 5, 425. Now your number 4, 100, 90, 80. This is backward sequence. And how much we subtract from the previous number? 10. So 80 minus 10. It's a 70, 60, 50 and 40. Next number 5. 230, 225, 220. In this we subtract 5 from each number. So again 220 minus 5, 215, again minus 5, 210, again minus 5, 205 and then again minus 5. It's a 200. Next number, it's 980, 970, 960. So see, this is the backward sequence. And how much we subtract from each number? It's a 10. Now you see, 10 has 2 digits number. One's digit is 0 and 10's digit is 10's place is 1. So what we have to do? 0 minus 0, that you know. Now we have to subtract 1 from the 10's place. So when we subtract 10 from 960, last digit 1's place, 0 minus 0. You have to put 0 only. Then 6 minus 1, 5. And 9 you have to put as it is. So your number is 950. Then 950 minus 10, 940. Now what comes before 940? When we go backward by tens. So it's a 930 and then 920. Number 7, 605, 600. Before 600, 595. Again we have to subtract 5 from 595. 590, then 585, then 580 and then 575. I hope you all understand this backward counting easily. Thank you.